Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a jumbo apple wedger. If you like cutting your apples up and you don't want to get cut with a knife, you can use one of these tools. So let's get started. First, you'll need a jumbo apple wedger tool. An apple, any apple will do, and a chopping block. So what you do is you take your apple and you place it on the board. You get your wedger and you center the circle like that, and you press down. Ooh, we press down. And there you go. You have your nice, beautiful cut apple wedges. Then after you just take them out, I'm assuming you have to be careful not to cut your fingers. And enjoy your apple. They say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. You can put peanut butter on your apples. Put them in fruit salad, whatever it takes to make you feel healthy. Thank you for watching my video. Here's the list. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Have a good day.